Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing more decluttering. I am seriously on a mission lately. I've been just like decluttering little spots daily, and I'm pretty sure Adam is getting really sick of me creating bigger messes before they get cleaned up. But I just posted the other day my declutter of my vanity. I got rid of over half of my beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair care. I also decluttered my entire closet system. And then today I go through, I declutter and clean out the fridge. I did the buffet in our dining room. I did some of the kitchen cabinets. Like I'm on a roll over here. I also want to get down to the basement and declutter some of that because we need to reorganize. If you don't know, I am moving my business. I have a clothing and jewelry business, and we have an office space, but unfortunately my landlord wants to take over our space, so we have to move out. I'm just gonna move us back in here because I might move to a different area in the next little bit. So for now, I'm moving in here, which I'm filming the entire process of getting that set up. I'm rambling, I know. Anyway, I've been trying to declutter everything in there so that I have enough room to run my business efficiently. So I'm just gonna jump into all of the different areas that I have been decluttering. Hello, I'm coming to you from my refrigerator. It is the beginning of the year and I am just on a mission to declutter my entire life. I'm now cleaning out my fridge. We did a grocery pickup this morning, and so now I'm trying to get rid of all of the expired foods. I already did that. I threw everything away that needed to be thrown away, and now I am cleaning my drawers of my fridge. I already did the vegetable drawer. I just dried this one off, so this will be our fruits. And I'm just trying to make sure that the fridge is nice and organized. We're getting a nice, clean, fresh start to the new year. But I'm in that decluttering mode. I'm sure a lot of you are too. So I figured I'd take you along, give you some motivation if you have been wanting to declutter but just haven't gotten to it yet. This is your sign. You can start. Taking the drawers out makes you realize like something spilled down the back of this that I'm gonna clean. And just cleaning the tops of the shelves just from things that fall out, but I already took this shelf out, cleaned it, and then cleaned the whole inside. So this is all of our veggies that we picked up today and what we had that was still good. So let's clean out the back of this and then put our fruit away. There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you? Here is an overview. So the freezer, I didn't clean all of the shelves, but I did clean everything out that was expired or we didn't need anymore. So it is emptied. I just need to clean the actual shelves. But the fridge, I did the full deep clean of all of the shelves. So as you can see, we've got lots of room. I just have some pumped milk here, and then just a snack. This is all dairy. This is kind of like leftovers, so meats and veggies. And then this is drinks, and our lettuce never fits in the vegetable drawer, so I always put drinks and then the lettuce. This is meats and cheeses, all of our fruits, and then all of our veggies. And then on the door we just have butter. This is basically all of the sauces and stuff that we cook with, and then here's all salad dressing. This is like condiments basically, and then yeast, and then we've got random bottles of wine, applesauce, and pickles. There was an embarrassing amount of expired stuff, like mainly like sauces, like a taco sauce and mayo, because neither of us eat mayo, so it was like just in there probably for a recipe or something. So lots of expired stuff, which I'm glad to get rid of. I feel like new year, fresh start to the fridge. So yeah, it feels really good. One project is crossed off the list. The other day I also reorganized. This cabinet is a corner cabinet, so it's kind of awkward, but there's a ton of room in it. So I turned this into all of our servingware since we don't use it all the time. All of our mugs used to be in there. So I moved our mugs up here. All of Theo's stuff was in there, so this is all of my pumping stuff. All of our serving stuff was in this tiny cabinet, like all stacked on top of each other. So now we have a couple of things up here and then the rest in that big corner cabinet. And I just cleared out some other stuff in here and put all of Theo's eating supplies up here. Are you bouncing? Are you bouncing? Anyway, it didn't make sense for us to have our coffee mugs like really accessible because neither of us drink coffee, so it's basically like hot chocolate mugs. Yeah, very happy with the progress I've made in the kitchen. I need to finish putting away the rest of the groceries and take out the recycling, but feels good. It is time to tackle the buffet in our dining room. Just these drawers. They have been filled with random stuff for way too long. So it's time that we clean them out and make them more functional. This is everything from the drawers. I'm going to make piles of keep, get rid of, and then keep but find a different home for. There's not like a clear line, but this is what we're keeping. And then this is all what we are donating or throwing away, depending on if it is bad or if it can be donated.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out.
Here's where we ended with the buffet. So in this drawer we just have koozies and our brewmates. Over here we've got a couple of shot glasses and then drink openers and just things that we would need for drinks. In this one we have all of our tableware, so candles and napkins and straws. Down here I showed you, I think, that I put the wine in here. Some of the bottles are so dusty because they've been sitting for so long, but we just need to figure out what we're gonna do with these. I put all the vases that we're keeping in here, but again, they need to have a new home. I felt like I was drowning in my house because everything is out of place. So I wanted to put them away for now and I will find a new home for them. And then all of our glasses are in here. This is the cabinet above the refrigerator, and I'm going to take all the vases out of here and put our liquor up here instead because it's down by the buffet and we don't want Theo to be able to get to it. And there's too many vases in here. I want to declutter some of them, and there's a lot of liquor in that cabinet and it will be roomier in here. Today I am going to take all of this out and then we'll put it on top of the refrigerator.
We'll put Theo in the cabinet.
Hi Bugs, do you want to hang out with all the liquor? Yeah?
Up your head. Going in.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
And I was going through and putting all of the liquor back. I did sort it by different kinds, so every kind would be with other like kinds, and it was a little bit difficult to keep them in their little groupings based on the space that I had, but overall it went pretty well, and I kept the stuff that we used the most up in the front.
More of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep.
This is the cabinet where all the liquor was, so that's completely cleared out. Over here we had a bunch of glasses and then this decanted whiskey, so I need to find a home for that. But I moved all of the glasses and went through and decluttered in here. So now all of our glasses in here are in here and we can put a little child lock on it. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find a wine holder, bottle holder that will fit in this cabinet. But for now, I'm just going to lay them down and see if they would all fit in here in the first place. We have these drawers in the kitchen, and I just went through and decluttered this bottom drawer. It's small drawers like this where you don't think anything is hiding in here, but we actually had a lot of random... These are all like seasonal dish towels that we've been gifted that we have never used. They have tags on them still, so we're obviously not going to use them. We haven't used our crock pot probably since Adam and I have met. And then these are random other towels that we've never used. And then I'm going to put, these are all reusable napkins. I'm going to put these over in the other buffet area with the rest of our serving stuff. This is the world's tiniest cabinet, and it has all of our cleaning stuff in here. So I'm going to go through, take everything out, and reevaluate what we actually use, and then put it back. This is the best cleaner ever for carpets. It literally, stains disappear as you're spraying it. So highly, highly recommend.
Staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us, it's all or nothing.
Yeah, go Bob.
But guess I need more of you. With us, it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of.
All right, this is what we're keeping in here. Up here we have all of our like, item-specific cleaners, so stainless steel, wood, shoe cleaner, electronic cleaner, cutting board, oil. And then down here we've got rags, dusters, and then these are Lysol wipes, that carpet cleaner, and then Comet, and the all-purpose cleaner is in the other room. So I will add that back in here. And then all of our bathroom stuff is, we just keep it in the bathroom. There are some other cleaner. We're just gonna keep these so that when we go through them, we'll replace like the all-purpose cleaner. We can just replace with these when we finish it. So we're gonna put these in the basement. We also don't need items like this or Scotch Guard. We don't need these on a regular basis, so they can live in the basement. Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed decluttering with me. Maybe you watched this while you were cleaning too. I just feel like it's so satisfying getting rid of stuff that you don't use. There's no point in hanging on to things if we are not going to use and enjoy them. I truly, truly believe that. So anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.